Any BIM project collaboration starts with ensuring that the project is correctly located. Archicad enables model-based open workflows between the project stakeholders using different applications. A new built-in tool, the native survey point, is an integral part of the Archicad project. Show or hide the survey point and access its settings with a dedicated tool on the standard toolbar or in the Project Preferences menu. The survey point can only be seen on the display. It won't appear in printed format, and you can move it easily. As we zoom, the size of the symbol stays the same. Turn on the coordinates to show them in relation to the project origin. Set the true project north direction in a graphical way. As the north angle changes, the survey point changes its position, because its coordinates are fixed. Use the Zoom to Survey Point command to easily find it in the project. Quickly access the location settings from the toolbar. This is where you can add georeferencing parameters as IFC information too. Let's see how to position the project to real-world coordinates. The project origin is set to the agreed base point of the project. Use the tracker to input the easting and northing values to relocate the survey point at the given data point. The coordinates will be automatically updated in the location settings. Use the new survey coordinate object graphic symbol to display the coordinates of any point on your plan in relation to the survey point or 3 other reference point options. The point coordinates are automatically updated if we modify the survey point. Schedule these objects to create a list of important coordination points in your project. The survey point is integrated into Archicad's coordination workflows with various file formats, using the project's native survey point data. Align the incoming DXF or DWG drawings with the survey point by activating the related checkbox in the Attach XREF or the Merge dialogues during the import. For hot link modules, Archicad or IFC, choose the survey point instead of the project origin to align the imported module with the host file. When exporting an IFC or DWG file, use the dedicated options in the translators to match the exported file's origin with either the project origin or the survey point. Eliminate coordination inconsistencies and simplify your workflows with the native Archicad survey point. To learn more about Archicad, visit graphisoft.com.